Hello everyone, welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to do a wet pouring exercise from jug to 3 equal cups. This exercise aims to develop a child's pouring skills, fine motor skills and eye-hand coordination. Let's watch the presentation. Hi Vicky.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi, thank you.
Today I'm going to show you how to do a wet pouring exercise from the jug to 3 equal cups. Watch me do it and you may have your turn later. For more videos, follow us in all our social media platforms. Bye!
Bye.